Welcome back, everyone. Betska, the Guru Coach, with Raj, Vashisht, and our guest, Dr. Sushant. And Mindful Leadership Beyond Borders is so thrilled to have Dr. Sushant with us here today, once again, to discuss. This is in our health series. Today, we're discussing cancer. And just before the pause, we were talking about what is cancer, what causes cancer, high rates of cancer in men, and then, wow, extraordinarily high rates of cancer in young people. And that is disturbing. And so Dr. Sushant was basically saying that we need to reduce our stress level. We need to eat less and less processed foods, and vegan, whole plant-based diet is basically what he's suggesting. And be active. So go out and ride your bike, do a walk. Pollution is also a factor. And so young people watching this, please do your best to think about what Dr. Sushant's advice is today and how you can implement it into your life. So, Dr. Sushant, I think what I heard you say was that when we have this kind of negative lifestyle, the stress, processed foods, sedentary habits, and pollution, and so on, it causes an imbalance in our bodies.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is at the very core of why people are getting sick.
Correct.
And I mean, it just makes a lot of sense to me that we need to go back to how my grandmother did it. When her children got sick, she went into the forest and picked some leaves and barks and roots. She healed her family. So let's move into suspected dietary and lifestyle factors, which I am sure the average person isn't aware of. They've become so used to certain things, right? So they're used to a certain lifestyle. They're used to certain things that they eat. So many experts point to diet and lifestyle choices like consuming processed foods and refined grains and sugary drinks. Excuse me, we have to stop again.
Okay.
So next question, Dr. Sushant, is on suspected dietary and lifestyle factors. I'm going to guess that many people have very little idea about what they're consuming. And so let's discuss more about processed foods, specifically about processed foods, about refined grains and sugary drinks as possible contributors to cancer. Could you expand on that from a
Yes,
mind, body,
absolutely.
spirit perspective? Yeah, thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Ayurveda basically sees a body in integration of a mind, body, and a spirit. If a dietary lifestyle, we eat a processed food, which can lead to the toxin, that vikruti, that armor production inside your body, which can lead to the imbalance of your body and blockages inside your body. Okay, which weakens your internal defense system, okay, and creates environment to grow abnormal conditions, which can lead to the disease. In Ayurveda, we emphasizes on the meditation, yoga, a diet, and lifestyle, the dinacharya, what time to drink, what time to eat, what time to get up, everything has been explained in Ayurveda. If you follow that, your body's all the chakras get activated, which inert immune system get activated, due to which we can defend any kind of conditions inside your body, and be with the nature and try to eat unprocessed or local or vegan diet. That will be the solution for the today's lifestyle.
Mm-hmm. That's wonderful. That's very good. I appreciate natural living, I guess is a way to describe it. Being in nature and also honoring the plants that we're eating, thank them for the food, give blessings before our meals. I mean, we should be doing all of that every time. Yeah. So let's move the discussion now to cancer rates in older adults. We're seeing very high cancer rates in older people. And maybe you've already explained that. Maybe earlier in maybe their entire life, they didn't know what you're telling us today. They had no idea. So it just keeps
Correct.
accumulating in the body. Is that right? Or what is happening?
Basically, according to the Ayurveda, there is oja, the body innate immunity that get depleted with the age or hormone. See, if your body has a cancer cell whole life, like from the initial stage, your body, each and every person has a cancer cells. But why they don't grow? Because of your immune system and your hormones, which
Aha.
get depleted after certain age, like a 40, 45, 50s. The female hormones get depleted, the immune system depleted. Because of that, the cells start growing. That's why the
Ah,
older people get more sick and they're more prone to the cancer conditions.
right, right. Wow, that makes a lot of sense to me. Um, so can we, as older folks, can we reverse that? Can we get our bodies to be operating on full throttle again, as I might say it? Yeah.
There is that's the solution. You should eat a healthy food, a dairy gluten lifestyle,
Mm-hmm.
stress free life. That is a major
Mm-hmm.
solution for you. In
Mm-hmm.
meditation, yoga,
Mm-hmm.
that plays very important role in that. So
Right,
at
right.
least your immunity, your hormones get at certain level, get balanced, so you can defeat that condition or the disease.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I get it. And okay, so we've been talking about make sure you have a vegan lifestyle, so no processed foods or very little, and your stress levels, the whole lifestyle factor thing. But I know that if someone has some of these conditions, they're going to need Ayurvedic medicine as well, aren't they?
Yes.
So, what role can Ayurveda play in cancer healing? What role
Okay.
can it play?
Basically, Ayurveda works on a detoxification. Initially, we have to detoxify your body like a panchakarma.
Okay.
With that, we should follow the diet, daily routine lifestyle we have to change so it can remove the toxins from your body and then restore.
Mm-hmm.
That is rasayana karma. So after
Okay.
panchakarma, we prefer to give rasayana. So your body, after removing all the toxins, which can restore your natural inherent immunity. So we can fight with any condition or any disease.
So the objective, as you said, is to um, bring the body back into balance, which will then increase our immune system so our body can um, just fight off anything else, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Mm-hmm. And I know in India that you have these beautiful places where they're like a spa. You can go and have all these Ayurvedic massages, and they drop oil on your forehead. I don't know what that's called.
Shirodhara. It's basically
Ah,
for the mind.
okay.
It's really helpful. We use for
Mm.
the high blood pressure also, and it
Ah,
works wonderful. Yes,
mm,
insomnia, high blood pressure. No medicines, only Shirodhara. Wonderful that.
Wow. So, see, Raj, you're so lucky. You live in India. You can go to any wonderful Ayurvedic clinic and have some of this done. I'll have to travel 2 hours to find a place here in Canada. But now that we've had this conversation, I'm thinking, maybe I should make that trip and go and have an Ayurvedic treatment or so. That would be great.
Yes.
We have to go by ferry boat to get there, but that would be great. So
Please visit India once.
yeah,
That will be really great for us.
I've been there 8 times, doctor. But
Yes.
maybe I'll go again. Maybe let's see. Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing your wisdom with us here today. It's really fascinating to hear the Ayurvedic approach because recently I went to have a test done for my body, and the medical doctor just gave me a prescription and didn't describe much about what it was going to do. And I resisted it. I thought, why can't I heal my body with my food, is what I basically want to say to her. Instead of handing out prescriptions, let the patient look at their lifestyle, look at what they're taking into their bodies, and heal with natural medicine. To me, this all makes so much sense. So thank you so much. Final comments over to you, Dr. Sushant. What would you like to say to our viewers here today?
Thank you so much. But remember, Ayurveda emphasizes on prevention. A small daily habits can create a huge difference in your body.
Okay.
A consistently self-care is a key to healthier life.
Okay.
So be focused on your health, eat healthy vegan diet, daily lifestyle, and stress-free life. This is a key solution for your health. Please follow these things. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been delightful to learn. I'm sure our viewers are also learning how to incorporate Ayurvedic principles and practices into their daily life so that they can indeed prevent cancer or prevent heart disease or any kind of disease from invading their bodies. So we appreciate you being here today to help us out. Raj, any final questions or thoughts from you, sir?
I love Ayurveda. I'm following Ayurveda.
You're following Ayurveda. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, and so you should. Yeah. I mean, and just, one final comment, folks. Ayurveda is quite common in India, and it's growing globally in Europe and so on. And in other continents like North America, very few people know about it. So I really encourage you. There are practitioners. And again, someone like Dr. Sushant can work internationally with you on Zoom or whatever, Google Meet or whatever vehicle you want. And it can be extremely useful.
Yeah,
Raj?
but Ayurveda is very famous. But in India, Ayurveda following and applying people are less. Doctors are amazing, but the main cause is the people are still here is also depending on allopathic
Modern
medicine.
medicine, modern
Yeah,
medicines.
Western
Yeah.
medicine. Because we get fast result from these medicine, they thought.
Due to industrialization, they want a quicker result. They have to rush to the work. They have to take care of family. So but Ayurveda also has the solution for that. They can also get results, but basically they require have to a faith on the doctor and the path.
Yes.
So it's a 50% from the patient and 50% from the doctor. It's a contribution from the both sides. Then we will achieve in your life.
Because the problem is the people, they don't want to do hard work. They want shortcut. That is the problem. Because whenever I meet some good people, I always say use Giloy, use Giloy. They listen. They
goes out the other ear.
yes. That is the
But Western
problem.
people, really thank you to everyone. They religiously follow. If you say these are the things, these are the
Right.
you should eat, drink, and sleep, they will
Yeah.
follow the routine life and they get healed.
Yeah.
I would like to share one condition, if I permit. There is one lady from the USA, Margarita. I'm talking about. Guru Betska had referred to me. She was suffering from severe backache, intense pain. Like she's not able to sit for 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes.
That's right.
She's working from home, and while consultation, also she used to get up within the 5 minutes, and she used to roam around with the MacBook, and she used to consult. So severe, intense pain, she used to cry.
Yeah.
Daily routine life, she is completely hampered.
Mm-hmm.
She has a faith on me and Guru Betska.
Mm.
She recommended me and treated her for 6 months. Now she's absolutely fine. I have
That's
Wow.
right.
not given, I've just given the herbs, a daily routine lifestyle, and some yoga postures. She followed 6 months. And in modern medicine, they were like, you have to go for the surgery. There is no any other solutions.
Yeah, that's right. They kept saying she had to have surgery, and she just said no. And Dr. Sushant said, no, let's try Ayurveda. And of course, she worked with me to change her mindset, right?
Right.
We had to change her negative thinking into positive, and she's perfectly fine now. It's a fascinating case of how, working with Dr. Sushant and a patient works really well because I help them change their mindset. And Dr. Sushant
Yes.
then with their mind getting better, then he can help them with the medicines will work better, right? And
And
Yes,
faster.
absolutely. I completely agree because mind creates everything.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
and
Cancer doesn't kill the person, the mind kills the person. Half of the immunity gets shattered with the mindset. If they get, the report says it's a cancer. The
Mhm.
patient gets sick a lot.
Mm.
The people around them, like, he's suffering from the
Yeah.
cancer. Every time the mind and the body gets increases and it leads to the metastasis. It
Mhm.
spreads all over the body. So
Yeah.
I personally recommend brain walk. Helps a lot. It makes a difference in your life. Please go and do the brain walk. Please.
Yes.
It's recommended.
www.thebrainwalk.com. It's a very simple mind kinetics process for helping you to clear out the negativity in your brain and in your body. It works very well.
Yes.
Well, what an enlightening program. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank
We
you
this
so
is our
much.
second time we're thanking you because we went on a different tangent, but that was fun to close it all off. And we appreciate you being here today and all of your wisdom. Thank you,
Thank you.
Doctor.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Guru. Thank you.